Mariing pinabulaanan ng anak ni Kuya Kim Atienza na si Eman Atienza ang mga balita kaugnay sa pinagmulan ng pera ng kanilang pamilya. Marami kasing nagsasabi na ang ginagastos umano ni Eman at ng kanilang pamilya na pera ay mula sa mga tax ng ibinabayad ng mga tao dahil sa politics bloodline nito. Sa pamamagitan ng TikTok account ni Eman, nilinaw nito ang mga kumakalat hinggil sa maling akala tungkol sa pinansyal na kalagayan ng kanilang pamilya. Ayon kay Eman, hindi tumatanggap ng anumang suporta ang kanyang pamilya mula sa mga kamag-anak na may kaugnayan sa politika. Binanggit din niya na ang kanilang ina ang pangunahing tagapagtaguyod sa pamilya habang ang kanyang ama na si Kim Atienza ay matagal nang may matatag na karera sa industriya ng telebisyon at entertainment. Binigyang diin din ni Eman na mahalagang maituwid ang mga maling haka-haka upang hindi na madamay pa ang kanilang pamilya sa isyu na wala namang kinalaman sa kanila.
The most frustrating pieces of misinformation that was spread about me during the Guess the Bill controversy when everyone was hating on me in the Philippines. Because trust me, there was so much misinformation that I was genuinely considering getting lawyers involved, was that my lifestyle, my schooling, my house, my travels, my clothes, etc. are funded by politicians, are funded by the government, are funded by corruption. Yes, my one grandfather and my aunts and uncles on my dad's side are in politics. But I want to make it so clear that my immediate family, my sister, my brother, me, my mom, my dad, do not get financial support of any means from that side of the family. My mom is the breadwinner, meaning she brings home the money, and her family is not in any way, shape, or form related to politicians. She came from a Taiwanese family. She studied so hard in school. She went to an Ivy League university, majored in finance. She became a stockbroker, invested in a bunch of different things, started 2 schools, and now she's getting her second master's degree in Harvard. My dad has been in entertainment on TV, I'm sure you know, for decades, for years. We do not get financial support from any of my extended family.
So to summarize, yes, may kamag-anak sila na nasa politika, pero yung pamilya mismo nila hindi umaasa doon. Yung nanay niya ang breadwinner, which is Taiwanese, wala talagang kinalaman sa politika. Instead, may mga investments at 2 school na pinatayo, kaya doon nanggagaling yung kita nila. Samantalang yung tatay naman, matagal na sa showbiz entertainment, kaya kahit may relative silang politics, wala silang support na nakukuha doon. Pag alam mong wala ka talagang mali or tinatago, buong tapang mo haharapin at sasagutin ang accusations without stuttering. Asan si Claudine ko at ibang scholars? Let's face it, if any of your family members or relatives are in politics, automatically you get a piece of it. Maybe not 100%, but some of it since they are still related to you. But for me, you should not be blamed for it. You have nothing to do of what they did. Have you guys researched about her mom? I got shocked because her mom has really amazing credentials. Ma-amaze talaga kayo. And of course, Kuya Kim, we all know naman about him, so I support Eman. She is legit and their family is not corrupt. They are really rich with blood and sweat, hardworking both parents ni Eman. Well, honestly, gusto kong maniwala but my heart can't take it anymore. Ang pagkakalam ko is Kuya Kim ay anak ng politician. So one way or another, nag-benefit din yan. I don't know, I just don't trust politicians and their families. They're all the same. People are angry and frustrated, so they just go for whoever na related to any politician. Sorry if you were questioned like that. Clarifying it online is a better move. The lawyering up, many will sympathize with you. To be fair, you've never really flaunted whatever money you may have. Also, you sound like a highly educated girly unlike those influencers that did not put any of their vast ill-gotten wealth into quality education, it would seem. One thing I realized from this post is that when you're truly innocent, you can speak this way despite all the misinformation spread about her. She still sleeps soundly at night because she knows the truth. When Eman shows her stuff, I notice she has a lot of thrifted or stuff from mom. Really shows she knows the value of money, unlike yung mga scholars natin. Panay whole because it's really easy to spend stolen money. Eman is raised by hardworking people. It shows. Natatandaan ko yung documentary dati sa GMA, yung may tinanong na Manilenyong mama tungkol kay Lito Atienza ba't daw LA ang nakalagay sa mga waiting shed sa Maynila. Kasi daw ang meaning nun, LA for lahat akin. Di ko mahanap sa YouTube, early 2000 to. We believe you, Eman. You see how easy to defend your side, especially when you're not guilty. How about those nepos deactivated private their accounts? Diba, simple, if you know you and your family is innocent, this type of statement is easy to release. No legal advice and planning needed, direct to the point. If you are subject to lifestyle check and public shaming and you know your worth, speak up. Her mom is a real lady boss. She's the president and CEO of Chinese International School Manila and one of the JP Morgan stockholders. Lito Atienza may be involved in controversies during his time as mayor in Manila City, but I firmly believe Kim Atienza's family did not benefit from it. Now, since the shaming for politicians' children are now starting, please understand that any related to them are involved nor on their side. Do research first. Yes, shame on those politicians and their family, but remember, it's not always the bloodline. Just because they are connected to that family, own blood relations means they shared mutual principles and lives. We are still different from each other. In simple words, we are related but we are different in many ways. Porket may dugo akong galing sa'yo, konektado ay parehas na tayong ng paniniwala, lifestyle at moralidad.